In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Chrome sign-in pop-ups quickly and easily. If you're tired of Google Chrome constantly asking you to sign in when you open Gmail, YouTube, or other Google services, this simple fix can help stop those repeated prompts and make your browsing experience a lot smoother. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This is the browser where the sign-in pop-up is happening, so we need to change the settings directly in Chrome. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This is the main menu where you can access all of Chrome's settings and options. From the drop-down, click Settings. That will take you into the Chrome settings page. Now, in the left-hand menu, look for the section called You and Google and click on it. This section controls your Google account connection, sync settings, and a few of the features that can trigger sign-in prompts. After that, click Sync and Google Services. This is where Chrome keeps the options related to account syncing and Google-related browser behavior. Now scroll down carefully until you find the option called Allow Chrome Sign-In. By default, this can be turned on, which is what causes Chrome to keep prompting you to sign in again and again. To stop those pop-ups, switch Allow Chrome Sign-In off. Once you do that, Chrome should stop asking you to sign in repeatedly. This is especially helpful if you want to use Chrome without being interrupted by account prompts every time you visit a Google page. If you ever want to turn it back on later, you can always come back to the same setting and enable it again. And that's it. You've now disabled Chrome sign-in pop-ups in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.